Cooking should be fun, right? But somehow, every time I decide to cook, my kitchen ends up looking like a small tornado passed through. Flour on the counter, a sticky mixing bowl I forgot, 3 knives I didn't need. Chaos. The problem is, recipes never really tell you how messy they'll get. You're watching some serene cooking video, and they're all like, just toss this in a bowl. My reality? I'm elbow deep in marinara, wishing I wore an apron. Here's the real kicker with messy cooking. It slows you down. Looking for that spatula buried under 10 carrot shavings? Boom, 5 minutes lost. Cooking takes precision, and a messy kitchen steals that from you. Step 1 to cooking clean. Mise en place. Fancy French for everything in its place. Basically, measure out every ingredient before you start. I laughed at this once, thinking it was overkill, until forgetting the salt once ruined an entire soup. Pro tip: a large mixing bowl on the counter acts as a trash bin for scraps. Just toss your onion skins and garlic papers in there. It keeps the cutting area clear, and you won't be running to the trash every 2 minutes. Also, keep a damp towel nearby. It's not rocket science, but wiping up spills immediately changes the game. A spill left alone? Sticky disaster that takes an extra 5 minutes to clean later. Don't let your mess marinate. Some people swear by the clean-as-you-go mindset. Use a bowl, wash it. Done with a knife, rinse it off. I hated this at first. It felt slow, but man, it is life-changing once you get the rhythm down. Don't try cooking 10 things at once if messy kitchens give you stress. One-pan meals and sheet-pan dinners exist for a reason. There's nothing better than recipes that only dirty one pot. Your future self will thank you. Another huge tip: store ingredients as soon as you use them. Grab flour for the bread, back in the cabinet immediately. Not only does it reduce the mess, but you suddenly have more counter space. It's like magic. Oh, and let's talk about plating. For some reason, chefs make it look too easy, but I always end up dripping sauce everywhere. Solution? Put the sauce on the plate first, then add the components. No splatter, no frustration. Cleaning greasy pans feels like trying to scrub cement, but here's my secret: hot water and a splash of vinegar. Let it sit for 10 minutes, and stuff practically slides off. Trust me, it's a lifesaver. And finally, this is underrated: start with a clean kitchen. I used to think I didn't have time for that. Actually, starting with a spotless space makes cooking so much easier. It's like beginning with a blank canvas. Cooking doesn't have to feel like you're cleaning twice as long as you cooked. A few simple adjustments made it way less chaotic for me. Now I can make dinner without feeling like I joined an episode of Kitchen Nightmares.